Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's a video of how to fix the problem which says try searching to get started on YouTube when your homepage shows no videos. Step 1. Turn on your YouTube watch history and make sure it's turned on from here. Click on this one. Now go back to the YouTube, refresh the homepage. If it still shows no recommendations, go to the next step. Step 2. Populate your watch history. Use the search bar to find watch different types of videos like tech, music, news, whatever you are interested in, like this kind of videos. Watching a range of content helps YouTube learn your preferences and restart your homepage recommendations. If it still doesn't work out, try signing out and back into your account or clear cookies from your browser settings. So here you can see the videos are now appearing in the homepage. So that's it. Like and follow for more simple tech fixes.